Hello, hi, namaste. My name is Jeevan Jyoti Bishwal, and we just started a series that is nothing but Java with DSA. Okay, today we are just going to solve a problem that is nothing but our Pascal Triangle. Okay, Pascal Triangle. What do you mean by Pascal Triangle? Let's know. Okay, I'm just going here, nothing else. I am also I know the logic. You have to explain the Pascal Triangle. Let's see. Okay, Pascal triangle. Okay, who is given this name? What kind of history for the Pascal triangle? Let's know. Pascal triangle, it is a Pascal triangle, it is a triangular agreement of a number that given the complete of the experiment nearby. Okay, that is something logic for the Pascal triangle. Let's moving towards a picture, then we will know this problem some little better. Okay, this is nothing but a Pascal triangle. Okay, means by looking this you can just understand the Pascal triangle only. Okay, I'm just making it something okay, this will be okay. This video is something better. Okay, we just found this video that is fine for us actually. Okay, actually this video is going to be helpful for us. Okay, by seeing this you can just imagine that is a Pascal triangle. Means whatever the adjacent value for this triangle is nothing but 1. Okay, and what about the in between element inside this? Okay, that is nothing but the addition of the previous element. See this video only. Okay, that is nothing but 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Then it will be going to be 2 plus 1 3. Then 2 plus 1 3. Then it will be going to be 3 plus 1 3 4. And it will be 3 plus 3 6. And it will be 3 4 1 3 plus 1 4. Okay, this is something one logic for the Pascal triangle. Okay, by seeing this you can just imagine that is nothing but another thing you can see only. Okay, if we are going to see this picture only, by seeing this picture we can say okay, one second, just leave me this space. Okay, this is nothing but by seeing this picture. Okay, by seeing this picture only you can just imagine that it is nothing but 11's power 0. Means something power 0 is nothing but 1. 11's power 1 is this, and 11's square is nothing but 1 to 1. The 11's power 4 is nothing but 1331. Sorry, 11th q is nothing but 1331. 11th to the power 4 is nothing but 14641. Okay, there is two kind of logic are there. I'm going to explain the two kind of logic for the Pascal triangle. Okay, we just know what is Pascal triangle. Pascal triangle, it is introduced by Pascal itself. Means the whatever the Pascal triangle, it is a Pascal triangle. It is given by whom? Okay, it is just given by, you can just go for this but Wikipedia documentation. Here you can go for this all over the article for that Pascal triangle. Okay, who just given this Pascal triangle, whatever the solution for that Pascal triangle. Okay, we just know what is Pascal triangle. Let's see this only. Okay, I'm just going to explain here. Pascal triangle is something one, that will be 1 2 1. It will be nothing 1. 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3. 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3. Then adjacent value will be 1. It will be 1. 1 plus 3 is nothing but 4. 3 plus 3 nothing but 6. 3 plus 1 nothing but 4. After that the adjacent value is nothing but 1. Okay, this is nothing but our Pascal triangle. Okay, there is two kind of logic I am just going to cover. Okay, okay, let's that depend upon you what kind of logic you are going to do. Actually that is nothing but two kind of logic are there. There is many logic for the Pascal triangle. Today I am just going to explain about only two kind of logic. Okay, and I am just going to store this Pascal triangle values inside a 2D array. We already started a 2D array concept. Okay, I know that is not covered, but you can just go for that only. Okay, this is also helpful for you. Okay, after that I will solving two more questions on 2D array. Okay, this is a Pascal triangle problem I'm just going to cover. Okay, let's do this problem. Today I am just not going to use any kind of online compiler. Directly I'm just moving forward to the nothing but nothing but our Eclipse environment. Okay, you can also go for that only. Okay, just erasing it. I'm just going to create. Okay, just let me delete. Okay, I just created. Okay, that's only. Okay, let's create a class name nothing but Pascal triangle. Okay, this is nothing but our class Pascal Triangle. We are just going to do this problem by using two kind of methods are there. Whatever the method I am just talking about. One is nothing but the 11's powers, and another one will be it will be the sum of its previous elements. Okay, let's do the first one. Nothing but our what 11's power. Okay, let's do this problem here. Okay, I just want to means I just want to get a main method. Okay, I'm just let me increase somehow. Okay, it's fine. Okay, it's fine. Go to less. Okay, I'm creating a main method. Inside the main method, I'm just declaring my size of the whatever the 2D array. We know 2D array declaration is something like this only. Okay, I just want to. Okay, here I can create a method as a Pascal. Let's create a method as a Pascal. Okay, by creating method as a Pascal. Okay, private method. Let make us. It is not a void type. Make a static, and I want to return a 2D array from this method. Okay, that's it. Okay, I'm just going to do this problem. Okay, here I'm just calling my Pascal method by passing some value here. Okay, I'm just putting some value, random value I'll put. Okay, before that I'm just modifying int n is nothing but it will be somehow a user input. Okay, till to now it is not going to be user input. Let's consider it will be 5. Okay, that's fine. I'm here passing it is nothing but 5. Okay, here I am just going to print my Pascal Triangle, creating a for loop here. Int I is nothing but 0, I less than array dot length, then I plus plus. Okay, here I am going to create the nested for loop because I am using the 2D array here. Int j is nothing but started with 0, and my j value will be array of I dot length. Why I'm just going to do this, you are going to be understand by after the all kind of operation you will be understand more. Okay, don't be confused. Actually I just covered this topic why I'm just using this. If my array size will be means whatever the 2D array, if it is containing something one value, it containing something a value position of 5, and another array containing some position up to 3 position. That's why I'm just creating that is nothing but our 2D array means some as customization. We already know what is 2D array. I'm not going to deep down towards the 2D array. Okay, that is a shortcut for the print ln. Okay, I'm just going to print here array of I and j plus I just want some space here. After that I just want some means a new line sysout. That's fine. Okay, it is nothing but my calling the method. After that calling the method, I just want to print the method, print the whatever the my 2D array. Here I am just going to write my all the logic for the 2D array, which are going to be nothing but a power of 11. Okay, that is nothing but power of 11. Okay, let's create a 2D array here. Yes, 2D array arr is nothing but int, sorry, new int of here n is the size. Okay, we can declare this second means we are just declaring our row. I'm not declaring any kind of columns here. Okay, I will define my column while it means giving the inputs. Okay, after I just creating, I just want to return only, return my array. Okay, here I'm just going to write my logic. Okay, let me create a for loop. Int I is nothing but started with 0, I less than n. N is nothing but size. Okay, I can just make it arr dot length, then I plus plus I will do. Inside this I'm just going to declare a integer type of power. Okay, power is nothing but it will be returning a integer type. Okay, and I want to means introduce some topic for the not a topic. I just want to use the math dot power function here, and don't want to doing some kind of operation by using the loops. I just want to do something by using the power function. Here is the power function, and the power function return type is nothing but a double. That's why I just want to create this value into integer type to store inside the power function. Okay, inside the power value. Okay, I'm just created here. Here I just want to create another that is nothing but here j is nothing but started with 0. J is going to up to arr of I. Okay, I'm also not declaring my arr I dot length. I have to declare. Okay, j plus plus I am to do. Okay, here I am just not declaring my what about the column value for the first column value. Okay, we already talk about this thing by here only. Okay, for the first time, my length will be something one. For the second time, it will be two. For the third time, it will be one three. For the fourth time, it will be four. The five time, it will be five. Okay, I can just do one thing. It will be I value, I plus one value actually, because my I started with zero. Okay, that's why I'm just declaring here. I array of my array of I is nothing but new int of, here I am just declaring I plus one. Okay, that's fine, it is going to be declared. Okay, here I'm just want to putting the each element inside my array. Actually this is going to contain only one. It will be for the means it is nothing but zero zero position. It will be nothing but one zero position. One zero position is in one, and one position will be one. Here two zero position will be one, two one position will be two, two two position will be one. Okay, something like that only. Okay, here I'm just putting my what about the array of I and array of j is going to be, it is going to be whole. The value is nothing but power modulo 10 I am going to do. After that I am just going, means after putting the each element I just want to remove means I just want to delete that element from that number only. Okay, let's do one thing. This is nothing but our logic. Let's compile this. Okay, it is nothing but our Pascal triangle. Okay, but what about the pictures we just see about the Pascal triangle? It is look like that only. Okay, let's customize this Pascal triangle for us by adding some space. Okay, that is nothing but adding some space. Okay, let's do. I'm just going to copy this only directly. Okay, Control C. Here I'm just pasting. Control V. Okay, my array is going to be started with 0. Okay, let me declare on space variable. Okay, space is nothing but n minus 1 position. Okay, it will be j value here. Okay, let me change the variable name. It will be k. Okay, it's fine because it is in outside the loop. We can make that same name as a j, but let me something customization that will be fine for us. Okay, it will be k plus plus. It is going to be adding some space. Okay, it is going to be adding some space, nothing else. Okay, println. After that, oh, means each time my space is decreasing, I am just going to do space minus minus, means s minus minus, it will be fine. Let me compile this program again. Control S. Okay, it is nothing but our Pascal triangle. Okay, I can also make some increasing the value. Let me, it will be 7 is fine. Control S. Let me run this program. Okay, it is also fine because it is working perfectly. Okay, it is working properly for us. Okay, you can also add the, okay, it is taking some extra space. We can also avoid this by okay, we can do one thing. Okay, okay, let me start it with one. That's fine, that's fine, nothing else. Okay, it is nothing but our Pascal triangle. Okay, this is a one logic that is nothing but power of 11 logic. Okay, but there is something another logic is for this Pascal triangle, which is given inside this video. Okay, or you can say anything. Okay, but it is still helpful for me to understand, means to giving the big explanation about this Pascal triangle. Okay, for me the adjacent value will be one for the each time, and in between element will be the sum of the previous element. Okay, this is the adjacent element and this is nothing but the adjacent element, and the in between element will be addition of position, previous position, means the previous two positions. Okay, addition of previous two positions. Okay, let's just I'm just going to modify this. Okay, okay, just see, I'm just going to do one thing. I'm just controlling copying this code. Why I'm just going to copy this code. Okay, let me create another class that will be fine. And this is nothing but, okay, let me do Pascal by using Pascal triangle. Okay, let me name as 2. Okay, Pascal triangle 2. Okay, I'm just going to paste here whatever the code I just copied. Okay, one second. That's fine for me. Okay, it's okay. Okay, it's fine. It is the whatever the code is just copied from that previous code. Here I'm just going to modify this logic, means whatever the logic is, it is going to be the addition of previous two numbers. Let's do this program here. Okay, all the code will be same. I just want to modify here. Okay, I don't want the power of 11. I'm just removing the power of 11 here. Here I'm just also removing this kind of things here. Okay, here I'm just going to do one thing, that is nothing but I'm just going to adding the value of the previous values, previous array. Okay, let's do this program here. Okay, I'm just getting the value. If my j value is equal to 0, or my I value is equal to j, means I'm just talking about the adjacent value. If my j value is equal to 0, and my j value or I value is equal, means these positions, at that time whatever I want to do, at that time only I just want to add my inside my array of I and j. Inside the array of I and j, I just want to add 1. That's fine. Okay, that is suitable. Else if it is not inside that only, at that time what I have to do, I want to add inside my array of I and array of j. Inside the array of I and array of j, I want to add my array of I minus 1. Okay, I'm just showing inside the video, that will be fine. Okay, if I want to put this two value here, how can I put two value? Is nothing but it is the index position. What it will be, 0 0, it will be no, 1 0, it will be 2 0. Okay, 2 0 will be 2 0 will be nothing but 1. I want to put inside the 2 1 position. Okay, for that I have to move up to this number and adding with the previous value. Okay, this is nothing but my 2 0 position. Okay, sorry, 2 1 position. Okay, and I want to moving forwards 2 1. I want to moving first 1 1 position plus 1 0 position I have to add here. Okay, means it is the addition of 1 0 position, no, 1 1 0 position and 1 1 position. It is the addition of 1 0 position and 1 1 position. Okay, let me do this program here. I'm just going up to means it is nothing but, let's consider here my I just want to put the element inside my nothing but means 2 1 position I want to put. Here I'm just write the logic. I want to put inside my 2 1 position. That's why I'm just going offside, means I just want to 1 1 position I want to go. Okay, after that I'm just adding with that element with the previous element, array of I minus 1 and j minus 1. I just want to add. Okay, this is nothing but our Pascal Triangle logic. Okay, this is another logic where we are just going to adding with the means, previous elements. Okay, what about the logic? Okay, let's me compile this program first. Okay, it is working perfectly, and what about the output is given to us, it is working fine. Okay, it is working fine actually. Okay, means if I going to this kind of solution, it is these two are the means one of the somehow one kind, we can say it will be a not a optimized solution but a better solution it will be. Okay, for the 11th flower, it is seem like it is easy, but these two are one of the means one of the, we can say it will be optimized or one kind of relatable solution for the Pascal triangle. But there is another there another thing for the Pascal triangle also, we are going to cover that, but not now. Okay, because for that only we are going to use somehow one kind of problem is there, that is NCR problem. It is our combination problem. We are going to do this problem, and during that problem only we are just going to understanding that concept for this Pascal triangle. Okay, these two are nothing but our Pascal triangle logic. You can do anything. Okay, whatever suitable for you, you can do. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe my channel, and that's it, bro. You can also follow us in Instagram as name as do encoder. That's fine. It's all about today. Okay, meet you in the next session.